Android users, isock here, and today I'm gonna show you how to conserve your battery on Android. The first thing to do is go to androidbatterylife.com. The site has tons of tutorials on how to achieve better battery life on your phone. This video will be a general guide based on androidbatterylife.com's guides. So first things first is a very easy thing to do, that is to lower the brightness. So go to Settings, Display, Brightness, and set that to the lowest possible value that you can set it to and still see the screen. Second thing is a fairly hard one and requires root. You need a kernel that supports underclocking as well as hot plugging support. Now open up any CPU controller app. I'm using Trickster mode for this one. Go to specific window, turn off MP decision, scroll down to the bottom, hit MP decision control if you have that supported, enable it and set max CPU to 2 and turn on SCR off single core. Apply the settings, then turn the screen off, then back on. You can also set the CPU governor to interactive so that it doesn't fly off to maximum frequency whenever you touch the screen. You can also set the GPU's governor to interactive if you want. Now what we've done here is make the quad-core CPU run at dual-core and single-core when the screen is off. That way we get more battery life but also get the performance, as the hot plug driver will kick in and make the CPU run at quad-core when you play a game or do heavy tasks. The last thing I'm gonna show you is split into two parts. First part is AMOLED screen specific, and it is to have a dark theme. So try transforming every app you have from white to black or red or blue. Black spots on AMOLED screens will use a lot less battery than white spots. The second part is for non-AMOLED screens, and that is to have a white theme. Try getting everything white, because more white means you can lower the brightness even more and still see what you're doing. On non-AMOLED screens, white will use the same power as black. Remember, AMOLED equals black, non-AMOLED equals white. I gave you some small guides on how to save battery, 2 easy guides and 1 fairly hard one. Be sure to check out the site I mentioned for an index of guides and tutorials on how to get better battery life on your Android device.